Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a fishtail braid, and this is really super easy to do, and in daily basis also this will just complement your look on any outfit you want to match with it. And if you're a beginner, it's really easy for you as well. So I'm going to show you two variations in it. The first one was the first and this is the second one, so keep watching. So guys, firstly you just have to make sure that your hair are tangle free by the use of any comb, and then you have to take all your hair in front as we are doing a front braid, and then I will make two sections of my hair and I have to maintain the two sections, and then I will take the end corner thin section and merge it with another one, again the corner section, a thin one, merging it with another one. That's how I will continue. Take a corner section, thin corner section, and then merge it with the second one, then taking another second section, merging it in first, then another one from first section. Also by the help of thumb you can maintain the two sections and always tight your tail. That's how I will continue. And also by the help of opposite hands you can take the other sections here easily, like this. It is really easy and doesn't take that much of time. Continue doing that till the end of the hair. Also clear all the sections. I will continue it as it is, taking thin sections and merging it with other. You only have to take the sections from the corner and not the middle, because we just merged in middle, so no middle, just you have to continue taking it from the side ends. Continuing it, you have to make sure that you know your cut. Mine is right now a straight V cut, so I am doing it till end. If you have a step cut or something, be careful. I will, before tying it, I will just pull it roughly. It looks messy in early stage, but when you do it equally, like when you stretch it equally by both sides, it looks amazing. Just wait till the end. Pulling it equally and each of the sections which we did. So what happens if you do it after tying? You can't manage if it destroys at end. So first you pull it and then you tie it with the rubber. Simply pulling it off equally, and then now I will tie. Even after tying, I will pull it a bit for retouching it and giving it a final look. Pulling it finally to give it a final touch and spreading it evenly and equally. This looks so good guys, and it was so easy. So this was the simple first variation. Like this gives me the feels of mermaid too as well. So easy and so beautiful. So guys, again starting with my second variation, it's kind of literally same, but it has the pulling difference and what I'm doing in middle. like literally a minor difference in it. And starting with the same steps, I thought of fasting the video, but then I thought you guys will get used to these steps. Repeating the same steps, taking the thinner section from the end and merging it with the second one. Just make sure that you do it finely, continuing it till the middle. And now I'm done with taking it till middle. Tying it from the middle, I'm taking the plastic bands, so these are not visible and people wonder how you made this beautiful braid. Pulling it as per my hair looks so nice, guys. And the again same step, like we are half done and half more till end. Again the same steps I'm going to do till end. Now you can see how easy it is to take the sections from the side and merging it with another one in middle. Taking sections from the side and merging it. It's really easy. The more thinner you take the sections, the more linear look your braid will get. And also, if you have highlights in your hair, like you are literally going to rock this look and this braid, because you can see the shades in the layer. And simply then evenly I'm pulling it before tying it. Now with the use of nails, I'm pulling it to get that pulled look. Making it or giving it a look similar like what we did in the upper half. So pull it like that, and now by the use of plastic rubber I'm just securing it. And again retouching my fishtail, and we are almost done, guys. And this is how it looks. Wasn't the two variations so easy and similar? This is literally easy and easy to do and looks really creative as well. So this is what I do generally, so I thought why not to make a video on it. And also make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Lots of love, guys. Keep supporting. So see you in the next video.